Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to export ticket from the website. So let's see about that. And see here this module, they have export the export. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to website. See here this menu for ticket. Now click on and see here this option for export ticket. Click on and set here start date and end date. I want to print 1st to 31st. Now export this and see here this ticket report in Excel format. Display ticket number, name, customer, ticket type, team, assigned user and expected closing date. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.